Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download build custom objects in HubSpot CRM, complete guide step by step clearly. To download and build custom objects in HubSpot CRM, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the settings icon in the upper right corner and click on it. In the left sidebar menu, scroll down to find the Objects section. Click on Custom Objects to access the Custom Objects interface. Next, select the Create Custom Object button. You will be prompted to fill out the necessary details for your custom object. Start by naming your custom object and defining its properties. Add relevant fields that you want to associate with this custom object. Ensure that you choose the correct field types for each property. Once you have defined all properties, click on the Next button. In the next screen, you will have the option to set up your object's associations. Decide how this custom object will relate to other objects in HubSpot. After configuring the associations, proceed by clicking Next. Review the summary of your custom object setup. If everything looks correct, click the Create Object button. Your custom object is now built and ready for use. To download the data from this custom object, go back to the main dashboard. Navigate to the Reports section on the left sidebar. Click on Reports and then select Dashboards. Create a new dashboard if necessary and add a report to it. Choose Custom Object as the data source for your report. Follow the prompts to configure the report settings. Once your report is configured, save it. To download the custom object data, return to the dashboard. Locate your report and click on the Export button. Choose your preferred file format for the download. Confirm the export to begin downloading your custom object data. Your download will be ready shortly. You can now use this data as needed within your workflows or analyses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.